Please don't look at the mess around me. This is actually the best room I could find to make this video. For a long time, I thought I didn't need one. I could easily work on location, outdoors, indoors, and anywhere was actually my studio. But strangely, recently I've been asked a few times if I was able to do any studio work or kind of portraits, fitness sessions, lingerie and glamour, all of this photographed with a plain, simple black or white backdrop. Things change, your clients will change over time, and of course, your work will change too, inevitably. What kept me away from working in a studio was my love of working inside inspiring locations. I always thought I would be bored working inside a studio, but I guess I was wrong. I was really surprised to see that I was able to adapt and bring my style inside a studio. And at the time and still today, my main problem is that I do not own one. Renting one can be a solution, but it ain't cheap because if you want a little bit of space, if you want it fully equipped and well located, well, you gotta put the money. If your goal is to photograph someone with a simple backdrop, you can actually do this anywhere. I've done this in the past. I photographed a dancer in an attic. Yes. If you think about it, any location can do the trick. If you have a simple wall, white, gray, black, or any color, you can use it as a backdrop. And this is exactly what I did during my latest trip to Bordeaux. I needed to do a few shots in a studio. I had access during an entire weekend to this amazing location, usually used for events and exhibitions. I used it as my studio. I had a few other options, a textured wall and also a black wall that wasn't really accessible, but I managed to find a usable angle.
Et ouais, ça comme ça. Ok. Non, justement. Merci.
So this experience really got me thinking, should I maybe someday consider having my own studio? Well, maybe. Or maybe I should invest into a mobile, foldable, compact backdrop that I can take with me anywhere. I don't know. The sun is quickly leaving the room, so we'll continue this conversation in part 2. I'll try to release it this Sunday, but until then, please, have a good night.